guys, here is the Glassparency kit, a cream cleanser, a scrubbing pad, and 2 solutions, A and B. Now obviously they want you to clean the window and scrub it. While I was waiting for this, I went ahead and already did that. I washed it, I scrubbed it with a Mr. Clean eraser pad, then I clayed it, and then I polished it down. So I think I went above and beyond the means of cleaning the window, and now I'm ready to apply the product. Alright guys, well, what'd you think of the video? Did you like it? If you did, hit the subscribe and like button, click that notification bell so you can get all the updates, newest videos I put out. Also, I'd like to thank Chad Amons for sending me this kit. He wanted me to try it. I tried it and here we are. Let's talk about Glassparency. Comes in a kit, an A and a B side packet, plus a cleaner and a scrub brush. So basically, clean your windshield first, get it all nice and scrub down any impurities out of it. I went ahead and clayed and polished on top of that, and then I was ready to apply the Glassparency. You apply side A first, you wipe it all over, you let it sit for a minute, and then you grab cloth B and you apply that over the whole windshield again. Once you're done with that, you get a wet, damp microfiber towel and you wipe it all down. Then you get a dry towel and you wipe it down again, removing any residue. Now in the event that you have some leftover residue that you can't get off, you get some type of IPA solution, spray it on and wipe it down one more time. Now let me tell you, the quality of this product, I could feel it. I could feel it adhering to the window, especially how hot and how fast it was flashing here. That's what side A is, it's a bonder. Side B, I think, melts side A or levels it, and you can spread it all over. Once it was on there, you know, the windows came out nice and clean, inside and out. The viewing angles are really nice. I saw lots of beautiful protection. I was spraying water on the window, good beads on it. So I'd say this is a pretty good product. If I can get 6 months out of this, I'll be happy. If you can find this for $10 to $15, it's great. It's a one-use deal. So this is a good upsell for you mobile guys. Add an extra $100 to your package. Yeah, I'll coat your windshield for you. It reminds me of Aquapel. If you have ever tried Aquapel, this is something that reminds me of a lot like that. One application, one window, boom, one and done. It's a good product. It's fast, easy to use, guys. If you get the chance, try Glassparency, and I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.